Good morning, students. Today I am telling you about the if else if ladder. Means how can you use if with the else. That is known as a if else if ladder, where every else is associated with if statement and terminated by else. That is known as a if else if ladder. Okay, ladder means just like a step by step. Okay, so what is the syntax of this one is if condition 1, then this statement should execute. Now see here, else if, what I was saying here, where every else is associated with if. Every else is associated with if. So what is happening here? See, look at this point. Else is associated with if. So this is the interpretation of this definition. Okay, means when we are using else, we can associate it with the if. Means in case of no, if you are having another condition, so we can use if, because if is used for taking any decision or making any condition. Okay, so this is else if. So statement block is 2. Again else if, again you can use this way, and terminated by else. This line if you see here, and terminated with else. So this is the if else if ladder. Means how can you, means if you understand it simply, how else is associated with the if. Means in case of no, if you have any more condition, so you can use if with the else. Means using if with the else is known as the if else if ladder. Okay, clear? Now see, next is, this is very important, conditional, or this is a conditional or ternary operators. Conditional or ternary operator. Ternary means 3. Okay, so conditional, what is this? It is a substitute of if else statement. You have studied about if else statement. So in place of if else statement, we can use conditional or ternary operator. This is very key point to understand here. If else is a substitute of conditional or ternary operator, does mean either you use if else statement or you can use this conditional or ternary operator. What is the advantage or what is the difference? You can see here in the syntax. This is a syntax of if else statement. In if else statement, if condition is 2, we write this statement. In case of else, we write this statement. Okay, if you take the example, here is an example. You have to print the greatest or maximum number between two numbers. So with the help of if statement, look at this point. If suppose there are two numbers a and b, if a greater than b, max is equal to a. Max is a variable in which we are storing the greater number between two number a and b. Else means no. If a is not greater, it means which one is greater? It means b is greater. Max is equal to b. So this is a syntax of if statement, and this is a example of if statement, and the same task can be done with the help of conditional or ternary operator. And this is very important, students. 2 marks question come in council class 10th. Okay, if else statement, how it can be written as a conditional or ternary operator. Look at this point. this is expression or condition within parenthesis. What is the meaning of this question mark? This is a operator. Its meaning of is yes. As I explained you, after the if we are using curly bracket, that's meaning is yes. In the same way here, if this condition is true, if this condition is true, if this condition is true, then means yes. This question mark means it is a operator which we are using in ternary operators, or we can say conditional operators. Yes, in case of yes, what do you want? That should be written over here. And colon sign means no. What is the meaning of colon sign? It is no. Okay. So in case of no, this expression is to be executed. Which expression 2 is executing when the condition is true, and expression 3 is executing when the condition is false. So how can you relate with this conditional operator with the if statement? If you see, if this condition is true, statement 1 is working. If condition is false, this statement is working. So you can compare, okay, if statement with the conditional operator. Here we are having 3 operands, 1, 2 and 3, and we are using 2 operator, question mark and colon sign. Okay, is it clear? Now see, I am going to explain you now about the switch case statement. Switch case statement is known as a menu driven user's choice. Okay. Now, and it is also known as a multiple branching statement. Multiple branching. Why we say it is a multiple branching? Because the if statement is only there may be 2 cases, either yes or no, but switch case may have many chances, many possibilities. But in if statement there are only 2 possibilities, either yes or no. And what is the use of switch case? If statement and switch both are decision making statement. And what is the difference? In if statement there may be only 2 conditions, and switch statement there may be many conditions. Okay. Now see, if a person, assume a example that a person who does not know about the addition of 2 numbers. So he went to the programmer, he told to the programmer that make a software. When I will run that program, when I would run that program, it should display the menu, whether you want addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When we select the addition, it should ask 2 numbers and addition must be done. So if assume this problem, for that we are making the program, a person who doesn't know about the addition or subtraction or multiplication of 2 numbers. So what will be the program? Public class xyz void abc system.out.print from with 1 addition, with 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division. So these 4 options will be displayed on the screen. Then system.out.print select any choice from the above. Suppose user is selecting 1. So where 1 will store? It means for storing option we should ask the value from the user side. So that's I have written here choice, int choice is equal to object dot next int. So when these options will be displayed, and from this option select any choice from above. User is inputting 1, so 1 will store into the choice, but 2 numbers should be inputted by the user. int a is equal to object dot next int b is equal to object dot next int. So what will happen? These 2 number will be asked. Again you have to imagine this imagination. This example is the imagination. You have to think that a person who does not know about the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, first the menu, 4 options will be when that person will run the program, these 4 options will